Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I separated a simple vanilla macaron batter into 3 flavors: green tea, Earl Grey tea, and chocolate. If you include vanilla, that makes 4 flavors. So for the green tea, I added a teaspoon of matcha powder. For the Earl Grey tea, I added a teaspoon of Earl Grey tea leaves. And for the chocolate, I added a teaspoon of cocoa powder. I mixed each batter well until it flowed off the spatula in a ribbon-like texture. Then I put the batter into piping bags and piped circles on top of a silicone mat. I usually let the pre-baked macarons sit on a counter for 30 minutes before baking it. And then once the macaron cookies are done baking, I add vanilla buttercream frosting and sandwich 2 macaron cookies together. This is the fastest way that I found to make 4 macaron flavors, and it saves time since I don't have to make another batter just for a different flavor. For the macaron batter recipe, I made a video a while back on how to do that, and it is listed in the video description. So what macaron flavor would you like to try from this video? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.